Mac Voices TV at Macworld iWorld 2012 is brought to you by PDF Pen for iPad from Smile, the mobile version of the award-winning Mac PDF editor. Use it to sign a contract, make corrections, fill out an application, make comments on a presentation, and much more. It's the mobile app that doesn't feel like you left the important features back at the office. Download a demo version at smilesoftware.com. Welcome to Mac Voices TV at Macworld iWorld 2012. I'm Chuck Joyner. I'm in the Mac OS X zone with Dom of Sparrow to talk about their email client. Dom, it's great to have you on Mac Voices TV.
Hey, nice to be here. Thanks for having me.
So a lot of us have looked at Sparrow. There's so many things going on right now in the email world. And for you to bring out a new client that is theoretically competing with Apple's means that it has to do some things a little bit differently, or has to give me a reason to change. What does Sparrow bring to the table?
Yeah, so we think that Sparrow is mainly focused on all the things you had in Gmail and also in other mail providers, and basically it brings you some features that you don't have in Mail App, because the focus of Mail App is the mainstream public, and Sparrow is more for people who are mail addicts and use mail a lot. So yeah, that's the first point. The second point is Sparrow is taking less estate. Mail is a full screen app. It takes a lot of place on your screen, and Sparrow is made to be minimal, small. And the other point is that we want the app to help our user go faster and be more efficient with their mail. So yeah, we put a lot of efforts in UI, UX, user interface, and user experience to make it really easy to navigate your mail and get things done, basically.
And there seems to be a fight right now between having my mail on my Mac or on my whatever device I'm using, and just having it in the cloud and accessing it there. How does Sparrow address that?
We're bringing all the functionalities that exist on the web to the Mac. So basically, I can, for example, the last example I can give you of the kind of thing you can do on the web that you couldn't do before Sparrow is, for example, integrating Dropbox, integrating Cloud App, send an archive that comes from Gmail, and all this kind of stuff. And yeah, I think that's the base of it. But the other important point is that it's native, so it feels faster. You have this sense that you own your data. Sparrow just brings back all your history of mail on your desktop. So yeah, that's the kind of value we're adding to the mail.
So if I load up all my email, get on a plane with no Wi-Fi, I can sit there, process my mail, then get off and reconnect and go.
Of course, you've got all the offline set of features, so basically you can just send mail, so they will stay in Sparrow, but they will be sent as soon as you're connected to a Wi-Fi or internet, and yeah, you can create drafts, read your mail and stuff like that. So yeah, offline mode is working fine.
It seems, like you said, to be a very fast client, and that really is appealing, especially if you start to try to use Gmail. As much as I like it, it sometimes feels a little sluggish. When you do this, it's just snap, 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 it's all right there.
Yeah, I think that's partly because we built our own mail engine, so Sparrow has its own backend. We're not relying on Mozilla or stuff like this, because Mozilla has a framework for mail, but it's a brand new one, so I think that explains the snappiness of the app.
Great. Where do people go to find out more and to get Sparrow?
So you can find Sparrow on the Mac App Store, as any Mac app. You can also find it on our website. We've got a web store where you can buy it. And yeah, that's about it. It costs $9.99, and we've got the iOS app coming soon, I think next month or beginning of March.
Great. And we have to ask this, since it's available in the App Store and on your website, same functions?
Yeah, exactly the same app. That's exactly the same for the same price, does exactly the same thing, behaves exactly the same way. No, there's no difference at all.
Dom, thank you so much. It's great to see you. I hope you have a great show.
Yeah, thanks a lot. See you soon.
Okay. Folks, I'm Chuck Joyner. This is Mac Voices TV at Macworld iWorld 2012. Back with more soon. Thanks for watching. Mac Voices TV is part of the Mac Voices Group and a member of Mac Level 10.